Hi, I'm Raquel Horta. With over 25 years of experience across development, business analysis, operations, strategy, and project and program management, I've seen one thing over and over again. The difference between delivering a project and delivering the real impact comes down to one thing: strategic thinking. That's why I wrote the article, The Power of Strategic Thinking in Project Execution. Too often, we think of project execution as simply checking boxes, hitting deadlines, and staying on budget. And while those are important, they are not enough. If we want our projects to truly move the needle, to align with business goals and deliver the long-term value, we need to move beyond tactical execution and think strategically. So what does that actually look like in practice? Here are a few key takeaways from the article. First, strategic thinking helps project managers anticipate challenges before they become crises. Instead of reacting to problems as they arise, you are proactively identifying risks and building contingency plans. Second, it leads to better decisions. You are not just making calls based on urgency. You are considering the big picture, aligning with the long-term goals, and bringing stakeholders along with you. Third, strategic thinking intensifies stakeholder alignment. You are not just managing expectations. You are engaging people meaningfully, understanding their priorities, and building a shared vision for success. And most importantly, strategic thinkers are adaptable. You are not thrown off when the plan changes. You adjust, you reassess, and you keep your eyes on what really matters. That is the long-term impact. In this article, I also share some practical ways you can build this mindset, from shifting your focus from tasks to outcomes, questioning assumptions, encouraging your team to think beyond the day-to-day. Because the truth is, strategic thinking is not just for senior leaders. It's a skill every project manager can learn. And the more we build it, the more we become trusted advisors and inspiring leaders in our organizations. So if this resonates with you, I invite you to read the full article. And if you are ready to take your impact as project managers to the next level, I'd love to connect. Thanks for watching, and remember, execution without strategy is movement without direction. So let's lead with intention.